back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna tell y'all how to make this quick and easy seafood dinner that I know your family will love. So before we get into this video, hit a like for your girl, subscribe, join the family. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm coming through by y'all hitting that post notification so you'll be notified of anytime I post a video. Let's get into this quick and easy meal, y'all. So y'all, I really wanted to show me actually preparing it, but the way my life set up, that didn't happen. So I'm gonna tell you all the ingredients you will need. Shrimp of your choice, either catfish fillets, tilapia, any type of fish of your choice. You can make actual hush puppies, but girl, I didn't. I bought some frozen hush puppies. I was on the hunt for some corn on the cob, so I found some frozen corn on the cob. I wanted to make homemade coleslaw, but that didn't happen either. So I bought some store-bought coleslaw that was from the deli. You would need spices of your choice, mustard and hot sauce. And when I tell y'all, I saw somebody do mustard and hot sauce after you season your seafood and put the mustard and hot sauce on it. Baby, a life changer. So what you're going to do is you're going to season your seafood. I let mine marinate in the refrigerator. And then once it was all seasoned, I put the mustard and hot sauce mixture on it. And I used like a cornmeal batter and a little bit of flour. And when I tell y'all, it turned out delicious. So what you're going to do is you're going to fry it to your liking. I like my catfish crispy. You fry it to your liking, then you fry your hush puppies or french fries, whatever it is you want to do. I cooked my corn on the cob, and with my corn on the cob, after it was cooked, I did butter and parsley and a little bit of garlic, plated it up, and what y'all see is dinner. So this was a quick and easy meal that I know your family will love. So make sure y'all try it. Y'all, let's just get into again how good this freaking looks. Like, I was a little skeptical of adding the hot sauce and mustard mixture on there, but you can't taste the mustard at all. Like, it helps the batter adhere to the food. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this was so freaking good. I fried that catfish a little bit crispy. Next time I'm gonna make homemade coleslaw, but baby, I ain't making no homemade potato salad, hush puppies. Even though I could, they got the little batter, but frozen is so much better, y'all. So again, the shrimp, y'all, I took the tail and stuff off. This was so freaking amazing. So I know I'm just blabbering and running my mouth, but y'all gotta try this. Next time, I promise I'm gonna do like an actual cooking video, but I just wanted to show y'all how good this looked. Like, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, girl, you did that. Y'all know I had to add my little extra commentary on the end. Make this for y'all people. Make this for y'all family. Make this for y'all bae. And I will see y'all in my next video. Comment below if y'all gonna make this meal. Comment below if you love seafood. What's your favorite seafood item? And I will see y'all in my next video.